Hello everybody. Today I'm replanting my plants. I always forget to videotape my plant whenever I replant. Sorry guys. I replanted this umbrella tree in this big pot because it was way root bound. You can see a piece of root in this from the umbrella tree. That's where it was. So I just decided to put it in a bigger pot. Now I have my snake plant. These are the nest snake plants. I just ripped a piece of leaf, well, the leaves on the sides, and I wanted to show you how easy it is for it to grow. It's been in there for more than 2 months, and it has made babies for me. Like, I saw the roots already, but I didn't think that it would make those little snake plant nest babies. Let me show you another one. Look at this. You see that? There's 3 in this one, and it's been in that water for, like, believe me, a long time. And this is a smaller one, which the leaf was kind of so-so, but I just decided to stick it in the water. And it's just tap water that I change every 3 days. And it's been living in there, and it keeps on growing. I'm so surprised that it grows in water. No problem at all. The roots are healthy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in this pot, which is a teacup pot. It's a big one. So I took this out from that one, which shouldn't be together. And there's another snake plant, the nest one. So I'm going to put them all in this big pot and see how it goes. All right, my friends. So I will... I already made a nice hole here for this one. I like to make it very a little bit deep. I have a lot of soil which I saved from the other plants, and there it goes in there. So, and then I'm going to put the other snake plants around here. All right, so that's how I did it. Now I don't put no more soil because they're still small. Once they grow taller, then I'll put more soil. I just remove whatever soil is covering it, the babies, and just, yeah, so that's all. And then I just put a tray underneath, so when I put water, it doesn't go on the bottom. It just goes in the tray. So that's all I'm doing here. This is kind of tall, so I'm gonna have to cut it. It already has the baby, so all I need is for the baby to grow. Or maybe I will just leave it. So yes, I have it in the gym room, which is more sunshine that comes in there. And the same thing with the umbrella tree. So my friends, it's so easy to grow any leaf from a snake plant. Just throw it inside of water if it comes out by accident, because these ones came out by accident when I was repotting the nest, the snake plant nest. I have this yellow one, and I have that one too, which is kind of different type, different varieties. There's yellow, and then there's the regular, green. So let's see how this does, and I'll give you an update later on when it's a little bigger. All right, my friends, thank you so much for your support. Thank you all for watching. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Comment below, share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.